Hi, my name is Tyler Woei-A-Sack, and I present the Smart Car Seat. Since 1998, on average, 37 children per year have died from heat strokes as a result from being left in an unattended car. Whether a sleeping child is forgotten in the back seat or the caregiver runs a quick errand and forgets their child. These accidents are completely avoidable. In an effort to prevent them, we developed the Smart Car Seat. I'll hand it over to Bryan to give you a brief overview of how it works.
Thanks, Tyler. So the Smart Car Seat is able to detect when the child is in the car seat, and in the case that they are overheating, a cooling system is triggered, and text messages are sent out to the caregiver or givers assigned to the car seat. The car seat contains numerous infrared temperature sensors to test the critical conditions if a body is detected inside the seat, which is then determined for its sensitive resistors. The Smart Car Seat is programmed using an embedded microcontroller, which queries the various sensors to detect a body in the seat, then tests if the critical temperature is met. In operation, this temperature is 39 degrees Celsius, but has been lowered to 34 degrees Celsius for demo purposes. Once the critical conditions are met, then the cooling and notification systems are enabled. The parent guardian will receive text messages every minute until the child is removed from the car seat, and the cooling system provides relief to the child during this time. And now I will pass it off to Emily, who will describe the components of the car seat.
Hi, I'm Emily Pitts, and I'm going to show you the components of the Smart Car Seat. The Smart Car Seat starts with 4 weight sensors to detect when a child is in the seat. There are 2 sensors here at the bottom and 2 sensors here behind this flap. Then there are 2 infrared temperature sensors here and here, so that the temperature of the child can be monitored without coming into direct contact with the child. Under this flap, you can see part of the cooling system, and I'll show you more in just a second, where this fan blows cool air towards the child, which will come through this mesh fabric to cool the child's back. If you come around back, I can show you the rest. Over here, we have the Peltier plate and the cooling system that Jgenisius will explain to you in just a second. And down here, we have our actual circuit. Our GSM module here is responsible for texting the caregivers. A Bluetooth module here is able to update the caregiver information from a smartphone application. Here we have our voltage regulator and our battery so that the entire car seat can be powered by the car battery, all of this technology is handled by the embed microcontroller right here that takes in all of the sensor information and regulates what goes out and what comes back in, and manages when we need to contact the caregivers and when further steps need to be taken as far as cooling the child. And now I'll pass it off to Jgenisius.
Hi guys, today I'm going to explain the cooling system. Come on over with me behind the car seat. The cooling system comprises of a thermoelectric cooler plate that has 2 sides. One side gets hot and the other side gets cool, which means the device can be used for either heating or cooling once powered. For the hot side to remain at ambient temperature, a heatsink must be attached to remove the heat. 2 fans are connected on the outer sides of the system. This fan pushes warm air produced by the warm side away from the rear of the car seat, while this fan pushes cool air towards the back side of the child's interior. There are no moving parts, so maintenance is required less frequently. Now I'm going to pass it off to Robert to discuss the future works of the project.
The Smart Car Seat is still a prototype, and additional features can be implemented to extend its functionality. For instance, connecting the car seat to the car's OBD port would allow the windows to be rolled down, allowing hot air to escape. Connecting to the car also allows the potential to sound the car's alarm system, notifying people in the vicinity of the emergency. Additionally, GPS coordinates can be sent through the text message to law enforcement officials to alert them of the situation. Our Smart Car Seat is unique when compared to similar products in that it attempts to cool the child when you've left it in the car. Competing products only try to alert a caregiver in the event of a child being left in a car, but our Smart Car Seat both alerts and attempts to reduce the danger the child is in.
And that's the Smart Car Seat. Thank you.
Bye.